Right, guys, I just wanted to highlight an absolutely stupid overtake by someone today. Shocked me and my student, but I had to hit the brakes just a little bit, just so that we didn't turn into them. But you can see we've waited correctly, we've done everything correctly, we're staying relatively close to the roundabout, and as we go now, look, bang, straight there. That was unbelievable. Unfortunately, if that was me driving in front and someone did that to me, I would have probably gone after them, but but that was so shocking. And you can see him now just taking us pointless. It was so stupid. We literally carried on and they were just stuck further ahead. You probably hear the frustration in my voice. You can see it now in both views. You've got the top camera view and the normal view. Yeah, it was crazy. Student did perfectly. Look, waited for the vehicle on the right, got the blocker coming up now, takes full advantage of the blocker. The car behind has now arrived. You can see the Mini there, and they overtake now. And right there's an island. They clipped the island actually. They're lucky that the island wasn't a solid island, otherwise that would have popped their tire. But a student did really well not to get freaked out, and it was just crazy. I just can't believe sometimes what we have to encounter. All of us driving instructors out there, we come across these idiots all day long, and we just have to try and stay calm. But they're really testing our patience. This is nuts. And I know it's frustrating being behind drivers, learner drivers, but look, the guy literally just turned up now. Look at this, and they're not even waiting. He hasn't even stopped, and now he's overtaking us. So don't know what to say. It's just very frustrating. It would be nice if someone reported it, but I'm not the type to do that. So even though I should, I suppose, but what we're gonna do. Just thought I'd show this one there. This is what happens on the road, so be very careful. Just be patient. That could have gone drastically wrong for them and for us. We could have clipped them. If I didn't hit the brakes, we would have clipped the side of the car now like that, and it would have been game over. So hope this video keeps you guys aware.